If your aluminum patio roof is leaking through the seams during heavy rain, you gotta know the best way to seal those gaps so the water stops sneaking in and ruining your chill time outside. Alright, so first up, it sounds like you're already on the right track by pressure washing and recaulking, but silicone caulk alone might not do the trick for those metal seams, especially under heavy downpours. What really works is using a high-quality silicone roof coating like Uniflex 44, which you can grab at Sherwin-Williams or similar stores, and then slapping it on with a fat roller to create a solid waterproof barrier that flexes with the metal panels. Make sure you clean off all dirt and rust before applying the coating because any leftover grime can stop it from sticking properly. Also, don't just cover the seams, roll the coating about 6 inches over each side of the seam and around the edges of your roof to lock everything in tight. When you apply it, do it on a dry day and give it enough time to cure without any rain messing things up. If your roof has any nails or screws sticking up, seal around those too, because tiny gaps there can cause leaks. Lastly, if your patio roof has metal framing, it's mostly aluminum or steel, so no wood lumber inside. But if you do find any wood parts, make sure they're dry and not rotted before sealing. One of the biggest mistakes people make when sealing a leaking aluminum patio roof is rushing the prep work. If you don't clean and dry those seams thoroughly, your caulk or coating won't stick well and leaks will keep coming back. Another common issue is using the wrong type of caulk or sealant. Regular silicone caulks might be water resistant but not built for constant roof exposure and movement, so investing in a proper roof coating like Uniflex 44 is key. Thirdly, folks often apply too thin a layer, or miss covering the entire seam and perimeter area, leaving weak spots where water can still creep through. So always go thicker and wider than you think necessary for long-lasting protection. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about these exact roofing problems, making sure you get quality work without the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for new gigs, BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot to find homeowners who actually need pros like you for projects just like sealing, leaking roofs, or patio covers.